Welcome to another episode of Living in Tahoe. I've got a great townhome to show you right in the heart of Incline Village, so let's go check it out. So I'm in a lovely townhome today, 842 Southwood Boulevard. We're right in the heart of Incline Village. I've been selling luxury real estate in this town for 27 years now, and a lot of people say we want to be on the south side of Highway 28, which is the road right up here. This is Lake Tahoe Boulevard, the road that goes all the way around the lake. It's a beautiful drive. If you want to come to Tahoe, it's a great, beautiful drive. That's the one we ride our bikes on every now and then when we're feeling very spunky because it's 72 miles. Anyway, getting back to this house. Beautiful location here. The beaches are a few blocks down the hill. All the restaurants and shopping are right there. It's great. The golf courses are on the other side of the highway right up there, very close. Everything's close. We're in the heart of Incline Village, and that's one of the things I really love about this house, and that's why I want to showcase this house for you. The location is good. The house is great. Let's check it out. So we're in the kitchen here. They did a beautiful job with this kitchen. These were built in 1997. Actually sold one of these. It was the first buyers for these units, and the people loved it because they were still working in the San Francisco Bay Area, and they had adult kids and they were thinking about retiring up here. So they bought this place as kind of a weekend part-time house, but they really loved it because it had 4 bedrooms and they were big bedrooms. So their kids could come and open their suitcases and everybody was happy. They ended up liking Incline Village so much they moved here full-time when they retired and bought a big house up on the hill. So this, I could see people doing that. It's a great weekend getaway, but it's also a great place that you could live. So covering all the bases with a beautiful kitchen. We've got some beautiful granite that matches the maple cabinets. I love that. Stainless steel appliances. We got our dishwasher here, our sink. Everything's very convenient and close, but it still feels really spacious inside. We've got a gas range here. We're still using gas in Incline Village. I love that. And then there's a nice use of counter space. So if you're serving your big family or friends or whatever it is, you've got a lot of room to put things out here. And I think they did a lovely job with this. So let's go check out the rest of the house. So we've got a lovely dining room. So in the house this size, it's 2,385 square feet with 4 bedrooms, like I said. So you want to have a nice dining room table. This is a good size. You can seat 6 people here. But if you went with a square table, you could probably fit a lot more. Or if you went with smaller chairs, you could probably squeeze another chair in here. Yeah, see? So you can add more people here if you need to, no problem. So it's great. We've got a lovely window here showing the nice backyard. And then they did a great job with the whole great room feeling. I love it. Sometimes when you're buying a townhome, you don't get a nice big living room, and it's kind of uncomfortable having your guests there. But they nailed it here. They've got a nice big living room. It's very comfortable. They've got a fireplace. It's wintertime right now, so the idea of having a fireplace on just warms my heart. And then you've got a big slider here that goes out to the big, beautiful backyard. So having a backyard with a townhome is a great benefit, not very common in Incline Village. So some great features here, all wrapped up, make a very lovely place. So before we go upstairs, I do want to let you know there is a half bath right down here. So if you're entertaining on this floor, your guests can use a half bath. But now we're going to go upstairs since we've already seen the kitchen, the lovely dining room and living room. So there is a master bedroom upstairs, and there are 3 other good-sized bedrooms upstairs and 2 full baths. So it's very comfortable. Let's go see what's going on up there, okay? So we're in the master bedroom now, a fairly good-sized master bedroom. This is a king-size bed, plenty of room for end tables on each side. We've got a big window here facing the backyard, and an extra room if you wanted to put a desk here or something. That's a possibility. We've got a good-sized walk-in closet here, which is great for a townhome. I think they didn't skimp on that. Sometimes they skimp on those. On this one, they did a great job. And as we walk into the bathroom, is a really good sized master bedroom. We've got 2 sinks here with plenty of counter space to put all of your, whatever we put on all the countertops. Look at this giant shower. I love it. Giant glass shower, a big soaking tub, and then you've got your own private toilet right here. So everything you need to be super comfortable in this townhome. So right across the hallway, we've got this other really good sized bedroom, which is great. So if you've got little kids who want to be close to mom and dad, this is a great spot for that. but it's a really good sized bedroom. They've got this little outtake here, so if you could do a desk, or I like the TV. I've got a really good sized walk-in closet over there, and then of course a window. And this is facing north, so you're not going to get sunlight early in the morning here. So deep sleepers would like this room. So on the other wing of the house, we've got 2 full baths right here and here, and then we've got 2 really good sized bedrooms right here and here. So which way should we go? So let's check out this bedroom. I like the furniture in here. It's got a very masculine feel to it. We've got a south-facing window there, and I didn't mention earlier about the really high ceilings in here, which is great. And they do have air conditioning, another great feature about this house. A lot of houses in Incline Village have in-floor radiant heat, so it's hard to add air conditioning. But this house has forced air gas heat, so they have air conditioning. So you're gonna be really comfortable upstairs, even on that 1 week in the summer when it gets kind of warm in Tahoe. So another big sized bedroom. This is the 4th bedroom. And again, it's big enough. You've got room if you wanted to open a suitcase in here. Like if somebody was just coming for a night, they didn't want to put all their clothes in the closet or anything. It's a really nice feature for this place. Again, the tall ceilings. This is a south facing window here. So this room is going to get some early morning sunshine. So whoever picked the rooms, the early risers want to be in this one. Before we go check out the backyard, let me introduce myself. I'm Tahoe Tony, the manager broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate. I'm also the host of this channel. So if you like the idea of learning what it's like to live in Lake Tahoe on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, where you don't have state income tax, go ahead and subscribe and then click on the notification bell. And when I put out another video of another great house or another great hike or another great restaurant, you'll be notified and you'll get to check it out. So let's go check out the backyard. Isn't this great? Obviously, it's a little bit of snow out here. It doesn't look so appetizing right now, but imagine in the summertime, they've got the umbrellas up, you've got heaters. They've even got a thing for looks like a TV. It looks great. So, total awesome place. I love it. Another great feature about this house, why I love it so much, is it has a 2-car garage. Isn't that awesome to have a place right downtown with a 2-car garage? Under $2 million, I think is a great deal. So I love this. It's a good sized garage. You've got plenty of room up higher if you want to put in some racks, do more storage. This people are obviously bicycles, like a really nice bicycles here. Some great biking in Tahoe. They've got a time trial bike, their road bike, their mountain bike. Plenty of room to store all your other gear because Tahoe is so much fun. You're gonna love living here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. I'm Tahoe Tony and I love showing off Tahoe. I really want to give you an idea of what it's like to live in Tahoe. So hopefully you have an idea now of what you can, for under $2 million, you can get a beautiful townhome right in the heart of Incline Village. So if you want to make the move to Lake Tahoe, reach out to me. I'd love to help you. If you're thinking about moving in 6 days, 6 weeks, or even 6 months, or even 16 months, I don't care. I'd love to hear from you. Love to help you out with that move. And I guarantee this will be the best move you've ever had.